yeah, I fell off the floaty and into the deep end. I don't really want to go off the deep end. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure we're locked in. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this slick back ponytail. I do have 4C hair. My hair was straight when I initially started this hairstyle. This is just kind of a tutorial of how I achieved this look with semi-straight hair. I just had to put a little bit more heat in it. But yes, it's very simple. It's very easy. This is only my second time doing this hairstyle, and I think it came out really good. My bundles are from Kendra's boutique. I really love this hair as a hair vendor. The hair is thick, the hair is long, it's very full. I only have about 2 and like a quarter bundle in my hair, and my hair, as you can tell, is very, very thick and just full of body and life. So if you just keep watching, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this slick back ponytail with my 4C hair. So if you have a similar hair texture as mine, this video might be very helpful for you. I don't use a lot of products at all. So I'm going to start off with my hair, obviously. So to give you a little background on my hair situation, my hair was straight. I got rude. I always forget to turn this thing off before I record. My hair was straight just probably like a week ago. I had my hair straightened professionally by like a week ago, and this is just what it looks like. It's been raining. It's been very humid outside, so my hair is kapoots. It's really thick, as you can tell. It's reached this point till, you know, it just looks cute. So I decided, why not do this little slick back or whatever, so I can look cute. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you how I do this slick back. So first things first, I know you're not supposed to do this. I'm no hair professional, no hair tech, so don't listen to me. But I'm gonna put some more heat in my hair just to get it a little bit more straighter than this, and to make sure it will look as slick as possible in my ponytail. I think I am going to stay with the middle part with this ponytail, but I will show you guys how all that goes in just a second. I don't have a straightener. Oh, this is way too hot. Yeah, I'm going to definitely burn my head. So I'm going to wait till this cools down a little bit, but I don't have a straightener, so I will be using a hot comb. You know, just even more heat to my head. Yeah, I left it on the stove a little bit too long. So I'm just gonna let this cool down a little bit, but once it cools down, I'm just gonna take it to my roots. I don't really have to worry about the body of my hair too much because that's gonna be back in a ponytail. I don't know how hot these are supposed to be before you touch your head. It's hot, but like, I don't know if this is gonna burn my head. I honestly should part my hair, but I'm being lazy because I'm also in a rush. I'm gonna head to one of my friend's little birthday events. She's like having a little pool party. So why am I putting heat in my hair? I don't know. But I also don't plan on actually getting in the pool. Your girl can't swim. So yeah, there will be no pool activities for me. I actually love going to this pool. It's so nice. I go to this pool all the time. My friend's pool is what I'm talking about. And I never knew that there was a deep end. Literally the last time I went, I was on a floaty in the deep end and someone jumped in. So I was trying to like run away from, you know, all the water, because once again, your girl wasn't trying to get their hair wet. And yeah, I fell off the floaty and into the deep end. I don't really want to go off the deep end. I fell off my floaty into the deep end and I freaked out. And in result, I got my hair wet. I was kind of upset about it, so yeah. Honestly, I don't think my hair needs that much work. As you can tell, it looks pretty straight. And with the products I'm going to be putting in my hair, this is just some oil sheen by Design Elements. It's really good. I put this in my hair. This stuff, like literally, I'll put it in my hair before I straighten it, after I before I get it straightened, after I get it straightened, because you know, I don't do my hair. This oil sheen really just kind of like keeps your hair shiny. It kind of keeps the flyaways away. It just kind of makes your hair look top notch, even though it's kind of getting older. This is cold now. I need to do the back of my head. Alright, let's fix this part real quick. I have a widow's peak, so I think if you guys have widow's peak, if you girls have widow's peak out there, guy, female, don't matter, but if you have widow's peak, do you feel for me? Like, making parts, honestly, with the widow's peak is like the hardest thing to do. But I say that, and first try, I think I got it pretty good. Not even gonna lie, I think I got it pretty good. I'm just gonna figure out where I kind of want my ponytail to be. Not too high, not too low. Hope my armpits are shaved, are they? Whatever. We're in quarantine. I ain't got nobody to impress. Oh, I need to get them edges in the back. Yep, I need to go put this back on the heat. So I'm gonna go put this back up on the stove real quick because I need to get my kitchen. It's not even that bad, but my back of my head has some like breakage to it. So I do want to just kind of like make sure that's all up in there.
Birthday, another milestone. To make a birthstone feel like rhinestone. The caterpillars in the burrow inside my best boy. 25, the teacher put me in the back where I was learning to hide. Cause when it just start like turning back the talent, show a permanent high. I had Jesus behind the book before I learned to drive. Little survivors, information, choreo, China. One on the left, I think like her. One on the left, I think I might love her. Ladies just both her arms, drums, her hands. All of the
I think we have it in the correct spot. It's gonna be, you know, molded to the right spot once I put all the product in. I'm gonna be taking my Style Factor Edge, it's not even edge control. This is their edge booster. I got the pineapple scent, and this is kind of considered their hair pomade stick stronghold. This stuff is basically like a wax stick. It is a wax stick, not basically. I'm just gonna take my wax stick and I'm literally just going to apply that to my edges, like everything you see on the outside of my hair. I'm gonna apply this wax stick to, and this kind of just is a really good base for my hair. I have really thick hair. This wax stick does a really good job of just making sure everything is nice and slick and make sure everything kind of like just stays in put. Before I start on the back, I am gonna just go ahead and comb all the product through. Just make sure it is well distributed to all of my hair. Oh, oh, we got stuck. Oh, my arms, girl, my arms. Whew. I need a little break. But yeah, as you can tell, like, it does get a little white on my hair. After brushing it in and putting a little bit more product on top, you honestly don't even see it. And then especially after wrapping it, you don't see it at all. So this is perfect. And I'm literally just doing the same thing. As you can tell in the front, I just wax literally every inch of my head on top. So I'm just gonna do that exact thing on the bottom of my head.
we pop out at your party, I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chain on.
So no, I'm not gonna be leaving my hair in this bun. I'm about to take my Got To Be glue spray, holding spray, fast breeze spray, whatever you wanna call it. I'm about to take this. This spray is gonna hold my hair in place for, you know, a couple days, and that's what we want.
You should be here, right here, baby. You should be here, right here, right here.
Wake up, nigga, wake up. We about to get this paper. Money never made me. Made me do something, now can't make me. Even if the money low, can't pay.
So the last and final step that I'll be putting on my hair personally is this Got To Be styling gel. All I do is I take a little dollop, literally about that much. I like massage it on my hands, and I take this on top of my hair. I go flip it in the back, and I go slick it back in the back, because my hair, the back of my hair honestly gives me the most problems. Last step, guys, I know I just said last step a second ago. I'm gonna go ahead and lay my baby hairs down, and then I'm going to proceed with adding the bundles, the most important part.
dick. He put them covers, this pussy like butter, he put it in damn and hoodie. He know he made, he fucking on make.
I have my first bundle right here. These bundles are from Kendra's Boutique. Every bundle that I'll be using is from Kendra's Boutique. And so literally, I'm just taking a hair clip, a bobby pin hair clip, you know what I mean, and putting it on the end of my bundle, as you see, like so. And literally all I'm doing, I went ahead and braided my hair. All I'm gonna do is pin this bobby pin and make sure it's kind of secure, not kind of secure, this thing is secure in your hair. And then all I'm going to do, literally, is wrap this bundle around my braid. And what I like to do personally is wrap it very tight. So like I'm pulling my hair, I'm pulling the bundle really tightly. What I do with the initial bobby pin, I just kind of do it all the way throughout this track, this bundle, whatever you want to call it. I like to get like kind of to like a good halfway point of the track, and I like to add another bobby pin just to make sure it is really secure. Okay guys, so as you can tell, I've reached the end of my track, the end of my bundle. So literally all I'm gonna do, like you've seen twice already, I'm gonna take this bobby pin, I'm gonna pin it in the end of the bundle, finish wrapping it, and just tuck it inside of my braid. And then I'm gonna grab another track, and then we're gonna just do the same process all over again. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my second bundle and finish off the rest of my hair doing the same technique you guys just saw. I'm going to be taking this bobby pin, attaching it to the end of the weft, and then we're just going to go ahead and wrap that around my braid. So I just went in the bathroom and wet my bundles just a little bit to get them a little damp. And then I'm taking some mousse. This is by Garnier's Fructis Styles. This is their Curl Construct Creation Mousse. I'm going to take a little bit of that, and ooh, when I said a little, I thought I meant a little. But I'm just going to take this throughout my hair and kind of bring out the texture a little bit. This is body wave hair. Like I said, I'm going to the pool, so I don't need to put curls in or anything, just in case there is a slim chance I might get in the pool. So now that mousse is in, I'm just gonna kind of like crimp my hair a little bit. Kendra's Boutique hair never lets me down. Guys, get into this, get into it, get into this ponytail. Last thing, I'm gonna take off my hair wrap. So, guys, we're all done. I think I'm gonna put like a little hair tie, a bigger hair tie, kind of in the middle, just to hide all the bobby pins I put in my hair. Yeah, that's just it for this video. Nice, quick, simple little hair tutorial. If you guys aren't, caught up on how to do a slick back ponytail, this is just how I do it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys liked how my hair turned out. I don't usually add bundles to my hair, but since we're in quarantine, I've been kind of like playing with it a little bit. So I personally like how it came out. I hope you guys did too. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me a nice little gold comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.